Hello, today I'm in BMW Series 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, accelerate to desired speed, then simply press this button. Then you'll get notification on the speedometer display that the cruise control is enabled, and thanks to which you can take your leg out of the acceleration pedal and your car will remain its speed. Also, you can increase the speed by pressing this plus or minus button. You can reset to firstly desired speed or cancel your choices about changing the speed. Also, if you want to disable cruise control, simply press this button again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.